Oh! This is your f***ing directions.
Which Toyota is the best off-roader? The lightweight chassis, the heavy duty, or the station wagon? Let's find out by comparing them in a series of off-road challenges. We're going to start off with an uphill drag race. It's a 4-litre V6 petrol versus a 4.5-litre V8 diesel versus a 4.2-litre straight 6 diesel. Let's go.
3, 2, 1.
Whoa, whoa, go FJ. Oh, everything has fallen out the glove box. Max is in the manual, and I think he was in neutral in the end of that. Oh dear, I've got some tidying up to do.
So we had a stall out on the line.
You had a stall out on the line. Does that mean that you stalled it?
I didn't stall it, but yes, it was stalled on the line.
Oh, sorry, you mean Max stalled it.
That's correct.
I remember my first day at school. It was nerve-wracking and everyone's watching. It's just difficult.
Right, what we're going to do is swap drivers so that the professional racing driver is driving the manual.
I best not stall it now.
Here we go again.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, come on FJ, oh, it's so close! Oh, blimey! That was so close, Sam. I don't know.
I think you won because you went up and forwards.
Did I go high?
Yeah.
Oh my God, that hurt my back a bit. So, you score 3 points if you win, 2 points if you come second, 1 point if you come last, and any car that doesn't complete a challenge gets no points. That means that so far the scores are 3 to the FJ, 2 to the heavy duty, and 1 to the station wagon. Next challenge. This next challenge will test these cars' manoeuvrability, their traction, and their ground clearance, because we're going to go through this rutted track, round a tree, back down there, over a dip, and up again, and across the start finish line, and Graham will time us. You probably noticed that all these cars have been modified with tyres and a lift and some other bits and pieces. The station wagon is going to go first. Let's go. Oh, blimey, rolling coal. Oh, he's doing really well there. The station wagon is quite a long car, and yet it's also highly manoeuvrable. Let's find out what the time is. That looked really quite good.
It was very good.
Oh, 20.96. Look at that. Next up, we have the heavy duty. Whoa, that sounds meaty. Although I think he got a bit carried away there. This is not as fast. I think because of that pickup bed, it's a little bit longer. Oh, he's picking up speed now. This is impressive, actually. I'll take it all back. Whoa, whoa, don't crash into me. What is that time? I don't think that was quite as quick.
It wasn't.
All right, let's have a look what we got. 22.17. Right, my turn. I'm in a hurry now. Oh, much swearing. I don't think I'm as fast as the station wagon through there, but blimey, with a lift and everything, you can absolutely go for it. This is nuts and so much fun. Oh, that was quick. I mean, I just didn't hold back. That was so much fun. I went for it.
Got the good news or the bad news?
Oh, I didn't win, did I? Oh, wow! A 19.24. That is the fastest I've ever done. That shows the benefit of like a lift and big tyres. Now what that means, 3 points to the FJ, 2 points to the station wagon, and 1 to the heavy duty. That means it's 6 points to the lightweight and 3 points each to the station wagon and heavy duty. Let's move on to the next challenge. This next challenge is quite scary because we've got to go up these steps, which are very steep, really rutted, and it's going to really test these cars' chassis articulation, ground clearance, and traction. We're going to have the heavy duty going first, which is also known as the Land Cruiser 70. So the trick here is to go steady, smooth. You might bottom out a little bit, but the trucks are designed to be able to cope with that. Or wheel in the air. Wow, that's looking, whoa! Oh, he's lost traction. Is he going to get a disqualification? He's got to get up there. Oh no, well done, Sam. Go on, my son. Go on. Whoa, that looks wicked. Yes.
You proud of me?
I am.
Marvellous, marvellous, marvellous work, Sam. Now all you got to do is come down the other way.
Right your wheels.
Oh, look at that. That's incredible. You did a great job there again, Sam, as well. We've got to just give some special credit to Sam because he is driving a manual. The other two cars are auto. Max, it's you now, mate, in the 80, the station wagon. Power a little bit here so it doesn't get stuck. He has absolutely smashed that.
That is seamless.
That was even better than Sam's. That was incredible. I don't know if I can do that good.
Going down now. Keep wheels straight.
The brakes aren't the best.
I don't think he's doing quite so well on the down slope as Sam did, but the uphill was amazing. Steady as she goes. Good work. Right, it's my turn in the FJ Cruiser, which is based on the same platform as the 150 Toyota Land Cruiser Prado. So effectively, we're trying the different levels of Land Cruiser chassis. Here we go. It's got to keep the power on. Whoa. So, oh, I wasn't paying attention then. What's the technique here, Graham?
Very, very slow. Keep your wheels straight once you're in the track.
Keep it steady, you got about a foot. Steady, it's going to drop now, so slowly. Steady.
Oh,
Tighten your wheels up. Okay.
and then just let it follow the tracks.
Yeah, but keep your foot on the brake as you do it.
It's actually surprisingly, oh God, what is... the steering's got mind of its own. Oh, through the bushes. Sorry about the paintwork. Oh, this is easy though. Yeah! I think that was a success. I'm not sure I beat the 80, but definitely beat the heavy duty, the 70. Let's find out what Graham thinks. Oh, Graham! What are you thinking?
I'm thinking the station wagon done that the best.
Ah, okay. Why?
Didn't spin a wheel,
All right.
and it went up there fantastically well. I would be tempted to give it to the other older one. One, it's a manual, so it was a lot harder for him to get up there.
Okay.
But you bottomed out.
Wow, I'm surprised by that. I thought this could have won it, but no, it's 3 points to the 80, it's 2 points to the 70, and just 1 point to the 150, the FJ Cruiser. So that means that in the lead, we have the FJ Cruiser on 7. In second place with 6 points is the 80, and then in last place at the moment with 5 points is the 70 series. However, things could be about to change with the next challenge. Now we're going to do a downhill descent, and it's whichever car can go down in the most controlled and slowest fashion. So last past the post wins. If you have to hit your brake at any point, because these don't have hill descent control, you have to shout out brake. Graham's going to start us.
Go!
Can't touch the brakes. Oh, this is good. Oh, this is amazing. It's so good. What a great feature. I'm winning so much I can go a bit faster by speeding up using this dial. Look, make it go faster. Oh, actually, I want to go slower again. Let's just do that. Oh no, I want to go faster again. Let's do that. What a great bit of kit that is. I love it. Done. An easy victory. Do you know what I say?
Technology works.
Technology works! Although, having a manual, if I didn't have this technology, like the 70, That did pretty well
That
considering
did
as
very,
well.
very well.
So what does that mean, Graham?
Well, this one down the slowest.
3 points,
Second,
2 to the 70,
last.
just 1 point to the 80. So that means 10 points to the FJ Cruiser and 7 points apiece to the 70 and 80 series. Now we're going to have a good old-fashioned drag race. First across the line this time wins. Let's go.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, too slow off the line. Come on, FJ! Come on! I'm reading them in now, but too little, too late. Ah! I can't believe the manual car won. Ugh. What do you think about that, Graham? I was a bit rubbish off the line there.
I wasn't, that was not what I was expecting,
No,
to be fair.
I think that was my fault.
Yeah, the 70, the 80, and then you.
Yeah, so 3 points to the heavy duty, 2 to the 80, which is the station wagon, and 1 to the lightweight, which is this, the FJ, which means overall this is still in the lead with 11 points. Then it's the heavy duty, the 70, on 10 points, then on 9 points is the ATV station wagon. So it's very, very close
very
with
close.
everything to play for in the next challenge, which is my favourite challenge. Now we come to the rock crawl. Simple this, it's going to check the car's chassis articulation, their traction and their ground clearance, and we're going to have the 80, the station wagon, going first. Graham's going to be directing us which way to go, and it's taking us on the trickiest route possible.
Ready? Keep steering like that. No, right.
I'm really seeing the benefit of the lift from here. Just so much ground clearance. Those rigid axles doing their job, just pushing the drive wheel down into the ground.
Whoa.
Oh. Houston, we have a problem. Oh no. Oh, he's out. Come on, Max, you can do better than that.
Right. Ready? That's it. That way a little bit.
Whoa.
Right.
Not bad.
That seemed pretty good. Now it's time for Sam in the 70 to give it a go.
So all I have to do is not fail like Max just did, and that's a win, right?
It's a win against Max, but you know, I might do even better than you.
Your red little sports car is going to struggle.
Whoa, here he goes. Looking good. I feel like he could go quicker. Sam, I feel like you could drive over there a lot quicker. There is so much ground clearance. I'm trying to egg him on, get him stuck.
There's a Graham in front of me, and I think this is harder than Graham is.
I think it's going to go exactly the same line as Max did actually. Take it back.
Graham, I feel that this is your f***ing directions.
Oh, there's points deduction for going backwards, surely, Graham.
Well, if you're going to take a point off Graham, this is just mediocre directions. That's all this is.
You're on full lock, you ain't going anywhere.
We should score Graham as well.
Slowly. That's it. Oh. That's it.
Nice.
Keep it on full lock.
Remember, Sam's doing this with a manual gearbox.
Mother of God.
Will they be needing a new clutch in that afterwards, Sam?
Absolutely not. Beautiful clutch control, thank you.
The thing I like about Sam is he's really modest. Here we go, my turn. I cannot see a thing. Let's have windows down so I can hear Graham.
Ready to stop?
You are brave, Graham.
Okay. Ready? Keep coming.
Oh, yeah, baby. Now.
Down.
I'm so scared right now, you shut up!
The bounce was you just dropping off a rock. You didn't do anything. That bump was the brass plate on the diff bit what they caught.
So, okay, everyone caught it.
Everybody caught it, but this one got over it without having to be reversed back.
Do you know why that was? More skillful driver. Come on, give me the points, Graham. What's your verdict?
So I'm going to give that to this,
Oh, nice.
but I'm going to give second place to the 70, last place to the station wagon.
Okay, so that means that it's 3 points to the FJ, 2 to the 70 and 1 to the 80, which means the current scores are 14 to the FJ, 12 to the 70 and 10 to the 80. We're going into our final challenge now. This can't lose unless it's disqualified, but Sam could win. Let's find out what's going to happen. This final challenge is a scary uphill climb. So the trick with this is lots of power, lots of momentum. Try to get to the top without stopping, because if you do, you're going to be rolling back and you might roll the car over. Anyway, we're going to have the 80 going first. Good luck to him.
I hope the camera does how steep this hill is justice. I'm pretty scared.
You are the guinea pig, Max.
Come on.
No way! That looked easy. I thought you need to go faster, 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 but you just crawled up there, Max. Perfect.
Slowly but surely, Matt.
Go on, Sam. Sam's going quite steady as well. Oh, he's losing momentum, but he's... No, he's still going. Great work. I'm really under pressure. Don't cock this up. Let's get the old diff locker on. Here we go. Whoa! That flew up there.
But Sam did it better.
How? Why?
Why? It just controlled its climb up there so much better. The wheels weren't spinning much as this one were.
Okay, how about the 80?
If I could give them equal scores, I'd give them the 80 and this the same.
You got to choose one.
I've got to choose one. I'm going to give it to the 80.
What? Oh, okay, right. So that means we've got 3 points to the 70, 2 to the 80, and 1 to the FJ, the 150. That means then, Graham, that it's a tie for first place, both on 15 points, the FJ and the 70, with the 80 on 12. So, Graham, seeing as it's a dead heat, we need you to decide which one wins and why.
Okay, right. I would give it to this one because overall it's won more of the challenges outright
Yep.
over the other one.
So that's right, he won 4 of the challenges, whereas the 70 won only 2. There we go. That's Graham's choice. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a like. Let me know some other off-road battles you'd like to see in the comments below. If you want to watch some other videos, click on the windows. And if you love this kind of content, we've got some more great off-road videos coming soon. Make sure you subscribe to CarWow. Thanks for watching. See you next time.